story. What's it like after 20 kilometers?
Gulay na yung paa ko.
Spell gulay.
G-U-L-A-Y.
Ginawa.
Kututo, major.
Sometimes things don't go as planned. But there are little things that springs on you that comes in as a pleasant surprise that eventually cling on to your memories.
Our puppy.
Okay, just to start with, there's a cat. To start with, just to tell you that this is an incomplete vlog. I know the creator should not make excuses, but you know, there are those times that you need to decide whether you should be vlogging it or help out the situation. I can't explain now, but you'll see later.
He's sleeping. Your tululaway moments. Sleep talking and all. Hours before midnight, and we're in a van and off to Nano Veloso to our jump point.
Ma'am, ano masasabi mo sa biyahe natin?
Try naman po.
Na ginawa mo?
Tulog.
Top of the morning, my friend. So how's your trip? This is your first time in Nano Veloso.
Yeah, dude, and everything's wet, man.
Why is it wet?
Maintenance. Water bottle was leaking, so everything went to my bag.
So we blame Nathan.
We blame Nathan.
For the record, for the camera,
Bottle.
can you point out who Nathan is?
That No, it's not his fault.
This girl is making dramas. She doesn't want to climb a mountain. She's making so many excuses. Sakit daw ang paa, she left her sleeping bag, blah blah blah, blah blah no sleep. So, she doesn't want to show her face. So right here, we'll put her profile picture, Facebook profile picture right here. Here's some drama. They're arguing whether Nano's snoring or not.
I don't snore. I don't snore.
This guy thinks Nano's snores. Her, that guy.
I don't snore.
3-1.
I don't snore. I don't snore.
Hello there! Nano. This girl is avoiding all the vlog shots.
Yo, Glory, you're a fake Chinese. Say something to the camera.
And we're a bunch of people for the first time in the Cordilleras, except this guy has been to Bulag. But didn't really count because he wasn't able to summit. This guy finally coming out of his comfort zone. but this is not here. And Angel, first time ever.
Ever.
Baptism of fire with the
Kilay.
Kilay is that.
first time to hike and nakikilay
Siyempre,
bago
di ba?
mag-hike.
Kilay is life.
Will it look nice pag pawis?
Waterproof yan. Kilay is life. Kilay is life. Waterproof yan. Waterproof yan.
2 very boring minutes later.
So anyway, we're about to start the trek, and it's gonna be the first 8 hours till the campsite. So let's get to it.
interesting day. We weren't able to buy bus tickets, so by one good chance, we were able to find a van offered us a ride. We got a good deal. We were late, and our guide left us, and now we tried to find a new guide. There's no guide, so we're not traveling alone. It's kind of nice. It's so much freedom. True adventure. Yeah, true adventure, and we're a bunch of great people. Your first timers here, and truly loving the view right now. Congrats, dude. Day one done. Day one done. Done. Congrats. Yeah. Guys, congrats, dude.
Dude, we got a puppy now.
Yep, followed us
All
all the way.
So it's 4 o'clock, and we started the trek around 8:30. So yeah, just right around 8-hour trek, and now we're at the school doing a little immersion. I guess they're very kind enough for us to let us stay overnight, because tomorrow we're gonna climb Mount Ulog, which is right behind you. Hold on, let me turn the camera. There, that's it. So tomorrow, that's where we'll be. Wala. Sabaw.
Nathan, balik mo sa akin. Pasa, dito, pasa.
Nathan din.
Oh, pasa. Oh, nice pass.
So just after a few minutes settling in our classroom / bedroom, the outside seemed to get foggy just a few minutes. Amazing, you can't even see the Mount Uga anymore. It's gonna be freezing tonight. So this is the classroom where we're staying. That's Simon naked getting ready to get a shower, and Gloria is apparently sweeping to make her room very clean.
Okay, let me give you a tour. It's our 5-star hotel, 5-star abode. Here's the library. We got oops, you want to see that? It's R18. Just a washroom.
Alright. Washroom right there. It's not a washroom, dude.
Dinner table.
That's a dinner table.
Foyer.
The foyer.
And you want to see the ride?
Yeah, it's got stolen.
No, labo. Kumusta kayo?
Good morning.
Good morning. Hapon na kaya? Hapon na. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Sun's going down. Off to day 2. So we bounce for the night. Morning, dude.
Morning. The sky is beautiful.
Theodore, you joining us? Theodore, stay, okay?
Bye!
Time check, it's 4 a.m. and we're about to leave for the summit of Mount Ugo. Morning.
Hello!
Morning, this is my boyfriend, by the way. Dude, you saw your face. Alright, let's go. Thank you, school.
Thank you.
We love you, but you know, you have to stay. Bye, Theodore. Dude, Theodore, pass through. Kumasya siya.